Guys, this is Angel bringing you another video on my do-it-yourself series that I have incorporated onto my gardening video. So as I was mentioning earlier, I will be incorporating do-it-yourself videos from time to time because I just think it's a must because this will save you guys so much money in the long run. And these videos are on how to fix certain things around your vehicle. Have you ever had this problem, guys, where you're driving and next thing you know, the sun visor just drops and just keeps flapping? This is the passenger side. This one's actually working the way it's supposed to, but that's not the case on the driver's side. This thing was all floppy. This is my daughter's car, and she just kept telling me that she had an issue with the sun visor where it just kept flapping all over the place and just dropping right on her face. So eventually the sun visor gave out and it finally fell off. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem for under 30 bucks. Literally, that's how much I paid for a brand new sun visor. I ordered it on Amazon. It arrived today, and I paid $24 and change, tax all included, free shipping because I have Prime, and it got delivered to me at my door literally the next day. So I paid just under 30 bucks. So I'm going to show you how to install it. It's actually quite simple. And I'm actually embarrassed to make this do-it-yourself video because this is something super simple to do. But this video is not only on how to install it, but it's also on where to get it and how much it costs you. So I thought it was very important to make it. So let's get right to it. The first thing you need to do, if this part still remains in your vehicle, is to remove this cover right here. What you do is with the little pocket screwdriver or with any flathead screwdriver, you're going to pry that off, just like that. And it's going to expose the two screws that are holding the base of the sun visor. Okay, so I removed the cap. This unit in particular doesn't have any screws holding it. It's just been held by compression clips. But what you do is just snap the thing off, and oops, I'm gonna remove this manually, see? And the clip comes right off. So I'm ready to install my new sun visor. I'm gonna leave the existing hook attached to it because I didn't break. So that one's it's gonna remain the same. I'm just gonna go ahead and snap the new sun visor onto this opening right here. This is not the OEM part, but who cares, because this one, I work for Toyota, and believe me, there's no difference between the aftermarket and the OEM. They are identical. So Toyota is just playing with you guys. Don't tell that to anybody. This one I only paid $24. I don't know how much this one cost at the dealership, but I decided to go aftermarket on this one because I'm cheap. All right, let's go ahead and install this bad boy. As I was telling you guys, look at this. Look at this. They are identical. Same setup. You got the same clips, and the only difference is the Toyota part number on the original one. Other than that, these bad boys are identical. Got the same cap, as you can see. The part itself, it looks very sturdy. It's got the little fancy vanity mirror, no light included, but we don't need that. So let's go ahead and install it. All right, so I just snapped the two clips in place. It went in nice and snug. So just put this bad boy back on the hook and voila. Check that out. It took me no less or no more than probably 3 minutes to install this bad boy. Now my daughter's not going to have the sun hitting her face anymore. Check it out. do it yourself for literally under 30 bucks. It's like 29 and change to be exact. And there you have it, folks. So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you want me to keep uploading more content of this nature, I'll be happy to do so. This setup is pretty standard for almost every vehicle, because this is not the first sun visor I installed. On some, you're going to find screws behind the cap. But this Camry in particular, it has just compression clips that hold it tight. So there you have it, folks. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this content, please don't forget to leave your likes and comments. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I will be very happy to reply. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next do-it-yourself video. Take care now, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.